وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our is topic, the blessing and glories of Ramadan. The blessings and the glories of Ramadan are manifold. This is the month for the downpour of Allah's bountiful blessing. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. A great value has been ascribed to the month of Ramadan. Once at the beginning of the holy month, the Prophet made a great ovation, in the course of which he said, "You men, an exceedingly great moon has now overshadowed you. The Most High has appointed the fast during the night as a custom. Whosoever does a supererogatory work in the month will be rewarded as much as if he does a legally enjoined work in another month. And whoever performs a legally enjoined work in this month will be rewarded the same as if he had performed 70 such works in any other month. This is the month of patience, and the reward of the patience of the month is paradise." Fasting in Islam. Like other virtues, Allah willed to perfect in Islam the institution of fasting too. Piety has been laid down as the basis of fasting in Islam. Quran Majid ordains fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those who before you, so that you may avoid evil. Means, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyamu kama kutiba alal ladzina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 183. So fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those who were before you, so that you may avoid evil. Abstinence from food, drink, or sex constitutes discipline of the body. This much comprises only the physical aspect of fasting. However, the concept of piety goes beyond the negative physical restraints. It also calls for a positive discipline of the soul under the process of self-purification by means of constancy in daily and nightly act of worship on top of the physical self-abnegation. Injection of Quran Majid, the limits prescribed by Allah and defined in Quran Majid in connection with the fasting permit approach to one's wife on the night of the fast to eat and drink until appearance of the white thread of dawn as distinct from its black thread is also permissible. Then one has to complete his fast till the night appears. The emphasis is no self-rightness. The entire ordeal is such that a normal, healthy human being can reasonably withstand. The motto of Quran Majid, Allah does not impose an obligation on anyone except what is within his capacity, as it has been Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 286, La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha, means Allah does not impose an obligation on anyone except what is within his capacity. Accordingly, although there can be no laxity in so far as the obligation of fasting is concerned, there are facilities provided for one who may be sick or on a journey. Quran Majid says, and he who is sick or on journey, then he is to fast for the same number of days. Allah likes ease for you and does not like hardship for you, so that you should complete the number of day of fasting and acclaim the greatness of Allah as He is guided you. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 185. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ. May Allah help us to earn the blessing of Ramadan fasting, reading of Quran Majid, and the night of power. Ameen. Inshallah, another topic will be about discouragement of monistic ways. Inshallah, it will be tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.